Hey bro, if you're a man over 40 and you're trying to lose weight, feel better, maybe even get your energy back using fasting, but it just feels like you're crashing, losing muscle or nothing's changing, this video is for you because most of what's out there about fasting, it was written for 25-year-olds with zero responsibility, with a perfect testosterone and no clue what it feels like to wake up with stiff knees and foggy brain and your body fighting against you. Here's the truth. Fasting over 40 is a completely different game. And if you play it wrong, it will burn your muscle, it will crush your hormones, and it will make you feel like garbage. But if you play it smart, it becomes one of the best fat loss tools you've got. And I'll show you exactly how to do it today. But before we go deeper, I put together a free supplement list. Not the gimmicky junk, but the science-backed stuff that helps men over 40 boost their testosterone, protect their muscles, support their metabolism while fasting. It's free. The link is on the description of this video. Grab it now because you are going to need it. Now let's talk about why most guys over 40 struggle with fasting. Number one is you are running on a low fuel. By 40, your testosterone is usually down, cortisol is up, and your recovery is even slower. Fasting adds stress and your body isn't supported properly. It doesn't burn fat, it burns you. Number two is you are not eating enough protein. Most guys think fasting means just not eating, but if you are not eating enough high quality protein during your eating window, you lose muscle. And if you lose muscle, your metabolism tanks. That's why you feel weaker, you feel softer, and you even fatter. Number three is you are doing two extremes. 20-hour fasting, no food all day, black coffee till bedtime. Listen, unless you are in your 20s or in the monk in the Himalayas, that's not sustainable for a man juggling work, kids, stress, and recovery. That's a crash and burn strategy. Number four, you are not strength training. Fasting without strength training is like taking the tires off your car and trying to go faster. You lose the very thing that keeps you lean and strong, which is muscle. Number five, you are relying on willpower, not structure. Fasting without a plan is like starvation with a fancy name. So what do I recommend? If I were you and I was 40 plus and wanting to lose fat without feeling like trash, the first thing I'll do, I'll start with the 14-10 or the 16-8 schedule. Let your body adjust. You are not in a race. Start by fasting for 14 hours from 8 p.m. to 10 a.m. Then eat in the window, in the 10-hour window. If you feel good after a week, stretch to 16-8. No need for heroics. Fasting works best when it's sustainable, not when it's extreme. Number two, break your fast with protein and fats. No sugary cereals or toast. That spikes your insulin and makes you crash. Instead, 3 to 4 eggs, half an avocado, maybe a scoop of protein blended with water and greens. This is going to stabilize your blood sugar. It will keep you sharp and it will fuel your body with what it actually needs. Lift weights 3 to 4 times a week. Fasting without resistant training equals muscle loss. Period. Your workouts should focus on strength, especially compound moves using dumbbells or body weight, rows, squats, presses. Don't just burn calories. Build the engine that burns those calories every day. And this is where coaching can be a game changer. If you're over 40 and you are not sure how to train for fat loss and muscle preservation, I do this every day with men like you. I have a 90-day program that gets results without extreme dieting or gym bro nonsense. The link is on the description of this video. Book a free call. Let's just talk. Number four, get 1 gram of protein per pound of your goal body weight. You are trying to preserve lean muscle and keep your metabolism alive. If your goal weight is 180 pounds, shoot for 180 grams of protein every day. Spread it across your eating window. Protein is your fat loss insurance policy. Number five, use smart supplementing. Fasting or not, at your age, you need a little help. Recovery slows down. Stress is higher. Sleep gets weird. Testosterone drops. That's why I created a list of science-backed supplements for men over 40. Stuff that helps you preserve muscles, that supports your testosterone levels, that helps recovery, and that makes you feel good, especially during your fasting window. The link is on the description of this video. You'll see what I personally recommend and use. Not magic, but it gives your body the support it needs to actually make fasting work. Number 6 is to sleep 7 to 8 hours minimum. Fasting is a stressor. Sleep is your recovery. No sleep, your body will hold on to fat and your hunger hormones will just go crazy. Fasting without sleep is like trying to lose fat with the brakes on. Number 7, hydrate like it's your job. Men over 40 dehydrate very fast, and fasting means no food, no water either. Aim for at least 3 liters of water. Add electrolytes if needed, especially if you're working out. Add a pinch of salt and just go with the flow. Let's be real. You are not trying to be shredded for Instagram. You just want to lose this belly. You just want to feel strong again. You just want to have more energy. And you just want to look like a man who's still in the game. Fasting can help with that, but only if you do it right. Don't starve yourself. Don't skip the training. Don't follow what worked for 25-year-olds who don't have your life, your stress, or your goals. Follow a structure. Eat smart, train with intent, and use the right tools for your age. I've dropped 2 free resources below. One is my free supplement list that supports testosterone, recovery, and metabolism during fasting. The other is an invite to apply to work with me for 90 days if you want to take your results seriously without wasting time. And if this helped, hit the subscribe button, share with a friend. This channel is built for you, the man over 40 who still wants to win. I'll see you in the next one. Copy that.